Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rosa Falina. I'm from class 6B English Literature with name 4322037. Okay, today I would like to present my analysis of the movie The Harp using feminist theory. The Harp is a drama film released in 2011, directed by Tate Taylor and adapted from the novel by Catherine Stockett. The movie is set in Mississippi during the 1960s, a period where racial discrimination was still very strong. Film ini menceritakan kehidupan para pembantu rumah tangga perempuan kulit hitam yang bekerja di keluarga kulit putih. Mereka mengalami diskriminasi bukan hanya karena warna kulit, tetapi juga karena gender mereka sebagai perempuan. The focus of this presentation is to analyze how women experience oppression under a patriarchal system and how they resist injustice through the perspective of feminist theory. The theory used in this presentation is feminist theory, especially the ideas of Simone de Beauvoir. In her famous book The Second Sex, she states, "One is not born, but rather becomes a woman." Kalimat ini berarti bahwa posisi perempuan dalam masyarakat bukan sesuatu yang bersifat alami, melainkan dibentuk oleh konstruksi sosial. Ada beberapa konsep utama dalam teori feminisme yang digunakan dalam analisis ini, yaitu patriarki, yaitu sistem sosial yang menempatkan laki-laki sebagai kelompok yang dominan. Gender inequality, yaitu perlakuan yang tidak setara terhadap perempuan. Marginalization, yaitu perempuan ditempatkan pada posisi yang kurang dihargai dalam masyarakat. Women's resistance, yaitu usaha perempuan untuk memperoleh hak, kebebasan, dan kesetaraan. This theory is relevant because they have clearly shown how women experience discrimination while also fighting against injustice. Discrimination against black women. The main character, Evelyn Clark and Mamie Jackson, work as housemaid for wild families. Mereka melakukan kegiatan seperti memasak, membersihkan rumah, dan bahkan membesarkan anak-anak majikan mereka. However, they receive low wage, are treated unfairly, and are even forced to use private bathroom because of racial discrimination. They show double discrimination, yaitu diskriminasi sebagai perempuan dan sebagai perempuan kulit hitam. According to feminist theory, women are often placed in a subordinate position, making the rights and voice ignored. Patriarchy and social domination. Another important character is Hilly Holbrook. Walaupun Hilly adalah seorang perempuan, ia justru mempertahankan sistem diskriminatif dengan membuat aturan bahwa pembantu kulit hitam harus menggunakan toilet terpisah. This illustrated that patriarchy is not always maintained by men. Sometimes, women also have received an unfair social system because they benefit from it. Melalui teori feminisme, kita dapat melihat bahwa ketidakadilan gender dapat terus berlangsung apabila struktur sosial tersebut tidak dikritisi. Women's resistance. The character Scatter Palin represent women's courage and empowerment. Sebagai seorang penulis muda, Scatter mengumpulkan cerita para pembantu rumah tangga dan menerbitkannya dalam sebuah buku. Her action gives marginalized women the opportunity to speak and share their experience. Selain itu, Evelyn dan Mamie juga menunjukkan keberanian dengan menceritakan kisah hidup mereka meskipun menghadapi ancaman. In feminist theory, this is known as agency, which means the ability of women to make their own choice and challenge oppression. Women's solidarity. Another important point in this movie is women's solidarity. Walaupun Scatter, Evelyn, dan Minnie berasal dari latar belakang ras dan kelas sosial yang berbeda, mereka saling mendukung untuk melawan ketidakadilan. Their cooperation proves the social change can happen when women until and support another. Hal ini menunjukkan bahwa solidaritas merupakan salah satu nilai penting dalam gerakan feminisme. Conclusion. In conclusion, the hard reason varies from injustice experienced by women, especially black women. Film ini menunjukkan adanya diskriminasi gender, diskriminasi ras, marginalisasi, serta pembatasan hak-hak perempuan. At the same time, the movie also shows the women have the courage and power to fight oppression through education, solidarity, and speaking out. Therefore, The Heart is not only a film about racial discrimination, but also a powerful representation of women's struggle for equality. Thank you for your attention. Thank you. Baiklah, mungkin itu saja yang saya dapat analisis dari film ini dan itu saja yang dapat saya sampaikan. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.